Dear riders, don't be a thermometer in your life, rather be a thermostat. You must have heard this saying. If not, I'll just shortly brief you. A thermometer fluctuates and shows the temperature around, but a thermostat sets a temperature. In my opinion, my riders are the thermostats who set the norms and bring the temperature or atmosphere according to that. So why I'm saying this? Because the place where I'm standing now has got an atmospheric temperature of 34 degrees, and over that you got to wear a jacket and helmet. My riders are getting dehydrated. Now, if Bandidos do not understand and bring a solution for my riders, who else can? Hence, JB Racing is introducing a top box with a built-in thermostat into it, or you can call it a built-in refrigerator, to keep your beverages cool by 6-degree temperature, or to keep your food hot up to 60-degree temperature. This JB Racing top box has got 48-liter volume, and all the features are same, like a high quality aluminum body and the fiber case with stainless steel locks, the lower one to detach the box and take the box to your hotel, and the higher upper one to open the cap. Here we have enough space to keep your essentials, and this is your refrigerator part. There's a nice cap to open it. I kept here a couple of beverages. I have 2 cans, you can keep 2 more cans into it, and my water bottle of this size can go into this space. Now, to connect, we have a cable here, just plug in, and it is supporting 12 volt or 24 volt charger. Now, for the cool mode, the consumption is 35 watt, and for the hot mode, the consumption is 30 watt. Now, every features are same, but the refrigerator top box comes with a multi-purpose switch here. I'll show you just a press. The refrigerator is functioning. Has got a translucent circle with a single press. If it is a blue illumination, it is for the cold. Turn it off and press again, long press for 3 seconds. It will come a red illuminations. That means for the hot mode. That simple as it is, and you can also use the separator to keep your beverages without clashing to each other and making unnecessary noises. So these are the features of this refrigerator top box. We will show you the function with all the details here. So riders, stay connected with Bandidos, because Bandidos understand your needs, and our procurement team and the research and development always develop innovative and very useful products like this. Now it's my time to have my refreshment. Yes, it's cold. If you wanted to have the same experience, please visit our website www.bandidospitstop.com or visit our retail store in Pongundam, Thrissur. So, cheers.